Hi, everybody. Welcome to Thursday's edition of Math. I hope you had an excellent day off yesterday. We're going to start today with this video. All right, so go ahead and watch this, and we'll be right back.
Oh, hey kids, it's Mr. B and Banjo Bob.
Hey kids!
And today we're going to learn about shapes. You know, there's so many different kinds of shapes. There's 2D shapes and there's 3D shapes.
Well, Mr. B, how do you tell the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape?
That's a great question, Bob. 2D means two-dimensional. Can you try saying that? Two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional.
Very good, Bob.
Thank you.
Two-dimensional means the shape goes two ways. Take a look at this square. It goes two ways. It goes side to side, and it goes up and down. One way, two ways. This shape is two-dimensional.
Wow.
Now a 3D shape goes three ways. It also goes side to side. It goes down and up. And it also goes from back to front. Back to front. Did you catch that, Bob?
Yeah.
A 3D shape goes side to side,
Whoa.
up and down,
Whoa.
and back to front.
Whoa.
Another way to test if a shape is 2D or 3D is to see if it's flat. Because if it's flat, it's a 2D shape. Let's try the circle first. Turn it over. Take a good look. That looks pretty flat to me. A circle must be a 2D shape. Now let's try the sphere. Rotate it over. This sphere is still pretty puffy and full. It must be a 3D shape. We can further experiment with the flatness of a shape by doing the clapping test. Are you ready for that, Bob?
You bet.
Remember, if the shape is flat, it's a 2D shape, and you should still be able to clap. Now let's try the 3D shape. Oh no, the 3D shape is too puffy. It sticks out too much. I can't clap. Sorry, Bob. The music's over.
Oh.
If you're still not sure if a shape is 2D or 3D, there is one more way to test. But leave this one to me, because it's kind of dangerous, all right? It's called the sit test. Here's what's going to happen. Bob's going to put a shape behind me, and I'm going to sit down. If it's a 3D shape, I should be able to sit, because 3D shapes are full and they stick out. But if it's a 2D shape, I might be in some trouble. Are you ready, Bob? Give me the first shape.
Okay, Mr. B. Here comes a sphere.
Oh, wow. A sphere must be a 3D shape. It sticks out three ways and keeps me off the ground. Thanks, Bob.
Good job, Mr. B. How about another one?
Yep, Bob, I'm ready. Give me the next shape.
Okay, Mr. B. How about a rectangular prism?
Whoa, rectangular prism must be a 3D shape because it kept me off the ground, Bob.
That's crazy.
It goes side to side, front to back, and up and down to keep me from falling.
Pretty cool, guys. Okay, Mr. B, time for the last shape.
I'm ready when you are, Bob. Give me the last shape.
Okay, kids, let's try a triangle. Oh no! That definitely wasn't a 3D shape, Mr. B.
You're right, Bob. This was definitely a 2D shape. It only goes two ways. This way and this way, but it didn't come up, so I couldn't sit on it and I fell to the ground. It's so flat. I went down fast, Bob. I think I'm done with shapes for today.
Well, how about I play your favorite song and make you feel better?
That'd be great, Bob. Thanks.
Okay.
I do feel better. And I did have fun today. And I hope you did too. Now it's your turn to find some shapes and learn something. All right, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. So today we are going to be working on 2D and 3D shapes. I have a bag full of shapes, and I have another bag full of shapes. How can we figure out which ones are 2D and which ones are 3D? If you look right here, I have 2D and 3D. So we are going to be sorting shapes today, all right? We can use the clapping test and the looking test. I'm not gonna try sitting on these shapes. Don't even ask me to. All right, so let's start with the shape. You know what the shape is? It is a hexagon. Nice job. So I'm gonna flip it over. It looks kind of flat. See if I can clap. Can you hear my clap? I can still clap. Does that mean it's 2D or flat, or is it 3D solid? Nice job. It is 2D. Okay, let's try this shape. Does anybody know what this is called? We're going to go over the names tomorrow, but this is looks like you can put ice cream on it. It is a cone, like a traffic cone. Let's see, I'm going to turn it. Now it still looks pretty big and poofy and full. It's solid. Let's see if I can clap. Can you hear my clap? Listen. No. So is that 2D flat or 3D solid? Absolutely. It is solid. All right, let's try this. It's sunny in that spot. Look at the sun found it. All right, I'm going to turn it. Does it look flat? See, it goes up and down, side to side, and back and forth. Oh, it goes 3 ways. Let's see if I can clap. Can my hands touch? No, right now I'm just clapping the cube. Can you hear me? So is this cube 2D flat or 3D solid? Nice job, it is 3D. What about this shape? I gotta get it out. Which is it gonna be? Look at this shape. I'm gonna turn it. It looks kind of flat, doesn't it? Especially compared to these poofy solids. Let's try clapping. Ready? Listen carefully. I can clap it. So is this 2D flat or 3D solid? It is solid. Solid? Who said that? No, it's flat. You tried to trick me, didn't you? All right, let's try this shape. This rhombus. It looks like a diamond, but in first grade, we call it a rhombus. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it. Looks kind of flat. Let's see. See if I can clap. Ready? Did you hear that? I can clap. So is that a 2D flat shape or is it a 3D solid shape? Don't try to trick me. It is 2D. Nice work. All right, let's look at this. I'm turning it. What do you think it is? Kind of poofy and full. Let's try clapping. Ready? Is this 2D flat or is it 3D solid? Nice and loud. Oh, you guys are so good at this. Nice work. All right, let's try this shape. I'm look. Does it look really flat to you? Let's try the clap test. Are my hands clapping? No, they're not even touching, especially if I do it this way. So is this a 3D solid shape or a 2D flat shape? Really loud this time. Yep, it is a 3D shape. What about this shape? Let's turn it, look all around. What do you think? Do you think it's 2D flat or 3D solid? Let's try the clap test. Ready? Whoa, that was loud. It almost echoes in the empty classroom. Is it 3D solid or 2D flat? Really loud on 3. 1, 2, 3. It is 2D. Very nice job. All right, last one. I'll dig around in my bag. Look at this. Looks like a ball. You all know about balls. I know you've kicked some and thrown some and rolled some. Look. Oh, I'm turning it. I almost dropped it. Does it look like it's going to be a flat 2D shape or a solid 3D shape? Let's try the clap test. Ready? I can't clap. What does that mean? Is that a 2D flat shape or a 3D solid shape? It is 3D solid. I hope it doesn't roll away. All right. So today you are going to be doing the exact same thing. All right, I'm going to show you what you're going to do. I'm sharing my screen. You are going to be working on a boom card, right? So you have to sort 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So you're going to look. If you can kind of see these little lines, it means they're full. So this blue one right there, this one is this. So was this 2D or 3D? What was this, 2D or 3D? Was it 2D or 3D? It was 3D. What about this one? This is the square. Was that 2D or 3D? 2D, nice job. And you're just gonna move them to where they need to go. And then you're gonna hit this blue button that says submit, the check mark. And then it's gonna let you know if you got it or if you need to check a few. And then you're gonna keep doing it. There's 10 cards. You can kind of see it over here, okay? Your exit ticket, after you practice this, is another sort, all right? Hopefully everybody can access it. As long as you have the link, you have permission for it. So hopefully everyone's on Google and able to work on this using their Chrome. So you're gonna take one. Here's the 2D flat shapes and the 3D solid shapes. This clock, is it going to be 2D? You're just gonna click it and you're gonna drag it. Or is it 3D? You have to figure it out. This hexagon, is it 2D or is it 3D? You have to figure it out. So all of these different shapes and pictures need to be put either in the 2D section or the 3D section. If you're ever not sure of the directions, the first slide tells you. And for the grown-ups, it's an assessment. So this is the exit ticket. Exit tickets are for the teachers to know what your student knows, what we need to teach next. So if they get help, we don't know if they can do it on their own. So this is something that they should do on their own. You can help with maybe the clicking and dragging if they need help with that, but please let their brains do all of this first grade work. All right, so then you click it and you drag it. This gives all the directions. So once you do that, you're gonna turn that in. Once you open it, it goes right to my information so I can see all of it. All right, so I hope you have a great day today, figuring out 2D and 3D shapes. All right, so tomorrow we're going to talk about what makes a 3D shape and the names. And guess what? They don't have sides. They're called something else. I cannot wait to teach you that. All right, I will see you all tomorrow. Have fun with all of the sorting that you're going to be doing today, the boom cards, and then the Google slide. All right, have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow. Let me stop this. All right, bye.